traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm still very bullish. I still think this is either going to go up and make an expanding flat or a running flat wave C, which an expanding flat would take out the previous highs, a running flat would make a lower high. At this point, not too big of a deal to know the difference. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think that this wave 5 right here is the wave 1. This ABC right here in the middle is the wave 2. I think that this right here is a 1 of wave 3. I think this is a WXY wave 2 of wave 3. And I still think on these weekly time frames, at least, it should continue to make those higher highs, higher lows for a wave 3 of wave C. So let's keep that in mind. It's very important to understand the higher time frames. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it looks like we just had another ABC correction and another continuation of the uptrend. We definitely don't have a lower high. We definitely don't have a Fibonacci bounce or a break of structure to the downside. So that tells me the trend is definitely up, and I should primarily be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we are kind of consolidated a little bit today. We do have PMI news coming out today for the euro, so it probably will cause some pretty good movement. I definitely am primarily looking for long, so even if it does end up pushing down a little bit, I'll probably patiently wait for the long opportunity for the continuation of this wave 3 uptrend. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up. To me, it kind of looks all very corrective. It kind of does almost look like it might end up going down a little bit before it goes up. It almost looks like impulsive down like a wave A, and this move up is like a A, B, C of B, and it kind of seems like it needs to go down for a wave C. Like I said, I would prefer to just primarily look for longs right now, so if it does make a push down, I'll probably just ignore it. I'll just patiently wait for it to make 3 waves down, wait for it to make a Fibonacci bounce, a golfing move up, a break of structure, and the continuation of the uptrend. The reason why I don't really want to go short is because the trend is up literally on every single higher time frame, telling me that I should be looking for longs in an uptrend. So when you go down to like the 1 hour time frame and below and try to go short when all the higher time frames are in an uptrend, you have a way higher probability of having losing trades. So if you trade with the trend, if you wait patiently for proper pullbacks and then enter on Fibonacci bounces with nice breaks of structure, you're definitely going to have higher likelihood of being a very profitable trader. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.